Hello, and welcome to another episode of What He Said About What She Said. We are
The captain?
and his lady in beautiful Quebec.
That's right.
We were successful, fist bump, yeah,
Yep.
about getting about getting out of the mud and actually getting on the road. We tried last year unsuccessfully, and super hyped that we actually made it this year. So what in all did we actually have to do from...
I knew I had a bad brake line and replaced it, and but then soon after adding more oil, bought a whole gallon worth, 4 liters worth of oil and brake fluid oil, and I thought I'd have tons. But yeah, after I primed the lines and everything, I tested the brakes, and what happened? It failed again.
Well, what happened was you started, okay, we're ready to go, and you headed out and started moving, and as soon as you hit the brakes, I saw the bus going for a leak.
Yep. So that was
I think
brake
that
line
wasn't a
number
positive thing, eh?
We tried it again, and another line busted. So we had 3 lines bust, and you'd think there's only 4 lines because there's 4 wheels, but it's actually a bunch of sections, and the sections were all breaking one at a time. And yeah, I went through my whole 1 gallon full of 4 liters brake fluid, because the brake lines kept on busting. But yeah, after breaking 3 in a row, I decided to change all the rest of them.
Yeah, I seem to recall that when you first started doing the brake line, I said, just replace them all, honey. Oh, no, it'll be fine.
We got the reflectors back on. We had to test all the lights. What was extremely important is the back lights, because we don't have our original lights. We have to buy some new ones, and we put them in.
So we were successful
Yep.
in getting out to St-Onge, Quebec. Just before we started our trip, our grandson had his kindergarten requested by him to come the next day when he was finished school to be able to give a tour to all his teachers and all his classmates.
We've made it just on time.
6 or so teachers came out with a good 30 students, had tours. They loved it. They absolutely loved it. The kids loved it. Of course, they thought it was so cool. From there, we went to Lake Ontario to visit with my parents near Burlington. And with our daughter, too, and her children, they came. We had some swimming time, some ice cream time.
Touches, yep.
That's where we started our bad diet for our holiday. It was awesome.
Broke every rule in the book, yes.
Every rule we've made.
So as you notice, I moved here because that rock is 40 degrees Celsius, and I'm just sweating away as the sun pours down. So the shade's much better. While we were at marinas, of course, every time I go there, they have a project lined up for me. And so, yeah, I had the shovel and wheelbarrow, and we had to move 3 loads of sand to support his garage. Yeah, Vlad was there every single time. not only the marker lights, but the wiper blade stopped working.
Yeah, the brake lights.
Yeah, there was a whole bunch of issues that came up all together, and I had to figure it out. At the end of the day, it was a bad ground. So I had to ground everything, and most of the stuff started working. I had to troubleshoot a bit more with the marker lights, but it's just cabling issues, and I changed out one bad light, and that's it. As you can see behind us, this is our heat reflective paint. If you can't tell, it's actually got a texture to it. And tell us what you think. If you think, you know, it looks like a silver bullet or
just nasty.
So,
it doesn't seem to keep it cooler, mind you.
Yeah, well. Hello, Kimmy. How are you enjoying that heat reflective paint? You look comfy.
Super nice and cool in here.
Yeah. I think it's doing pretty good if you look at the temperature.
We had a fun hike with your brother, his wife, and their 2 sweet daughters. And then we saw a large black bear and had to head the other way. Thank you, Natalie. It was so hot. And your brother brought us to a pretty lake with clear water and horrible swimmer's itch. We really did have a great time, though. Thanks again for joining us.
Yes.
We'd love to hear from you.
That's right. Can you like us? Yes. Please leave us a comment down below. You know, share it with your friends.
That would be awesome.
That's right. So,
Bye.
see you next time.